What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best fly reels in 2022, you can buy right now. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether you are looking for a best budget. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Piscifun Sword Fly Fishing Reel. Piscifun Fishing Reel is a superior reel with one of the most superior drag systems. The reel is reliable and helps many people train and master fishing skills. This is possible because of the rigid design that keeps the line under control. The large spool available also makes it easy to crank and control large fish. The fishing reel consists of aluminum material. This factor makes it corrosion resistant. In addition, the hard anodized aluminum surface increases abrasion resistance. The manufacturer uses precision CNC machined aluminum alloy to enable it to resist high impact. This way, it can serve you longer and ensure you enjoy every fishing session. It is easy to set the left or right hand. You can also switch between the two easily. It is even better since you can call the support team to help you out. The aluminum coating used makes the reel efficient to use in saltwater. After you finish fishing, the coating makes it easy to clean. All you have to do is rinse it with fresh water. The precision machined aluminum alloy has high impact resistance, so there is no need to worry about it getting banged up. Pros: inexpensive, corrosion resistant, easy gripping knurled handle, 3-year warranty cover. Cons: drag is sensitive and difficult to adjust. Number 2. M Maximum Catch ECO Large Arbor Fly Fishing Reel. M Maximum Catch Fly Reel is equipped with many features to meet all your needs. It is designed from high-grade aluminum materials known for their strength and durability. As a beginner, you can always choose a brand to help you build up your skills for a better experience. With the rugged Teflon drag, you are assured of stable operations to allow you to attract bigger fish. This unit only weighs 4-5 ounces. You can carry it around without feeling much of its weight. This also contributes to more convenient operations. What's more, is the fact that they are available in different weights and colors to allow you to choose one that you love the most. You can either increase or decrease the drag using the drag adjustment knob. This prevents unnecessary jumps from minimum to maximum drags and vice versa. The included leader, fly line, and backing are a huge bonus since they make performing your tasks easier. They are well designed to ensure that you capture fish without any of them escaping. Pros: have a good finish to make it look elegant. Very responsive for more convenient operations. Adjusts easily depending on the size of the fish. Works best on smaller ponds to capture smaller bass. Cons: has an imperfect finish with rough, sharp edges. Number 3. Redington Behemoth Fly Fishing Reel. The Redington Behemoth is a good value all-purpose reel. A sealed carbon fiber disc drag provides more than enough stopping power, especially for freshwater applications. The reel's unusual shape is made possible by the die-cast construction. 5 reel sizes are available, suitable for rods and fly lines ranging from 4 to 12 weight. The backing capacity on most models is more than adequate except for the 11/12 WT model. It has a backing capacity of 250 yards, but I do feel that a minimum of 300 yards is required for heavy saltwater use. The Behemoth spool has a chunky width measuring 1/4 inches. This makes it an excellent choice for large diameter floating lines. In my opinion, the Redington Behemoth is one of the best value fly reels money can buy. The reel is especially suited to anglers fishing thick fly lines and targeting freshwater species such as bass, large trout, and golden dorado. There aren't many fishing reels out there that fit more than 300 yards of 80 pounds backing and still have some room left. Pros: good value for money. Strong drag system. Durable die-cast construction. Warranty, lifetime. Cons: not ideal for heavy saltwater use, prefer grande for big fish. Number 4. Redington Zero Fly Fishing Reel. With this reel, you will have no worries about drag. This reel is very effective and is one of the best tools to use to practice fishing. The product is easy to use and comes with practical preset settings. For instance, the default tension is enough to help you catch fish effectively. This classic reel has a unique die-cast construction that is light. It is lightweight to allow beginners to navigate easily through the waters. In addition, the reel features a good grip, making it easy to handle. The die-cast construction also easily connects to the left or right-hand retriever. This system then connects to a superior drag system. The system generates enough power to help you reel in your catch. This click drag system is durable. Other benefits you get from having it are it is easy to use, simple, and light. It is about 2 times lighter than its counterparts. You will enjoy your time with this reel. It is easy to switch between the left and right retriever options. Also, you will spend less time cleaning and maintaining it. It is not common to find pro fishers using it since it does not provide enough strength to fight strong fish, use for light fishing activities or for catching small fish. Number 5. Piscifun Plat Fly Fishing Reel. The Piscifun Plat comes in 4 different models suitable for line weights ranging from 3 to 10 weights. It features a sealed disc drag system and is constructed from machined aluminum. All models are available in either blue, gunmetal, or black colors. The arbor size and width is suitable for a wide range of applications. At 6.2 ounces, it's definitely not a lightweight fly fishing reel. It does however feel solid in hand. I really like the large drag adjustment knob. It has a low profile, resulting in fewer line snags. Maximum drag pressure is impressive. Although this would never be required in real-world situations, the Piscifun Plat is a good option for the beginner fly angler looking for a solid workhorse reel that doesn't break the bank. The price also makes it a viable option for a spare reel on remote trips. It is not the lightest of reels, and you'll need to keep the size of your fishing rod in mind before buying this. The spool loosened and even popped out once. If it wasn't for a timely catch, I would have lost it forever due to the fast current, but it's not a biggie, and can be fixed easily. Pros: low price, warranty, lifetime. I like the large drag knob. Cons: heavy in weight. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.